Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 36. Sue, Mary and Rachel will share 180 marbles that are contained in a bag. Mary will get twice as many marbles as Sue, and Rachel will get 3 times as many marbles as Sue. How many marbles do they each receive? This is another excellent example of a problem that will be solved by algebra, and you'll have an opportunity to pause the video now so that you can solve it yourself. But I'm going to go on to the next slide now to have a look at the solution. Let Sue's share equal x. Now Mary has twice as many as Sue, so Mary must have 2x. Rachel has 3 times as many as Sue, so Rachel has 3x. So we have x, 2x and 3x, and those three amounts add up to 180. So here is the all-important equation. X plus 2x plus 3x is 180. 6x equals 180. If we divide both sides by 6, we'll get x equals 30. Now you remember, Sue's share was x, so Sue gets 30, Mary gets 60 because it's 2 times 30, and Rachel gets 90 because it's 3 times 30. And when you add 30 plus 60 plus 90, that gives you 180 marbles that were in the bag. So here's another beautiful problem that can be solved by algebra, and this is the very important first section. Once you know how to work with the letters or the pronumerals, you are well on your way.